tender and kind, built over time. This is my love for you. Steady and pure, patient and sure. This is my love for you. So shout from the city gates, hear heaven bless this day. Let all the elders say that this love was worth the wait. Let go and hear the sound, pull all the barriers down. I'll cherish the one I found. Yeah, this is my love for you. Careful and wise, true and refined. This is my love for you. Gentle but strong, from suffering long. This is my love for you. So shout from the city gates, hear heaven bless this day. Let all the elders say that this love was worth the wait. Let go and hear the sound, pull all the barriers down. I'll cherish the one I found. Yeah, this is my love for you. This is my love for you. Let the sound be heard, let the songs be sung. I have found the one that this heart loves. Let the veil be torn, save yourself no more. Let this love in me find a home in yours. This was for the broken heart, the lame, the weak, too afraid to start, the dreams that only came to pass them by. Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can't, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Here's to the wandering child looking for a star to guide, pushing through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart and know it's just a chance to start. I know that it might feel like it's too hard. Time to watch, grab a hand and make this day our march. Pulling down the walls we cross, fighting through the wars we lost, looking for the day when we have won. Just know that love is all you.